I love exercising at home, specifically at my standing desk, and stair steppers are amazing for that. So I wanted to test out the Sunny Fitness stair stepper. I got this myself after a lot of research, so let's unbox it and put it to the test. Now here's how it comes right out of the box, and I'm so excited to put this to the test as I've been looking at a lot of Sunny at-home fitness equipment, and I've been very curious about this brand, and I want to compare this stair stepper to another one I already have. What I like out of the box is that it actually has control right here. You can control the height of the steps by twisting this knob, and so you can make it as tight as you want or as loose as you want, which basically is changing your workout experience to best suit you. And how that's working is it's actually changing how high the steps will go when you go back and forth. Now on top of that, it does come with 2 resistance bands, which you can clip right onto the front of the steps. So if you want to add to your workout, you can just put these right on. I do wish it came with some options here. Since I'm 5'11", this is pretty short, and so it's not going to let me do like overhead or anything like that, but it still will add some to my workout. But when it comes down to it, one thing that is standout here is these have really good handles, and they actually have a braided cord, which is nicer than the other cords I have on my other devices that come with resistance bands like these. And then finally, you actually get a really, really big manual for this very simple fitness device. Let's see what's in here. And the main reason it's so big is because it has multiple languages, and it goes over how that adjustment at the bottom will adjust the stepping height. Those exercise bands, you can make shorter. They're already at as long as they can go, but if I wanted them shorter, I could do that as well. And then the exercise meter, as I said, is very straightforward. So you have all the instructions there. And the last piece is they actually do have an app for this. So if you want to track your fitness with the SunnyFit app, you can. It is not syncing with the device. It's just a way to track things on your own. Now here it is close up. I love how big the steps are. They're a really nice size. And how it works is really as you press down one foot, the other one's going to come up. And you can change how hard this is for you depending on how much weight you put on each one as you step back and forth. And you can do quicker, smaller steps or longer, fuller steps. But that's really the main option there. I do find that stair steppers give me a really nice quick workout almost immediately, and I love that I can stop at any moment. And as I'm doing that, you can see the count going up. Obviously it's going up very slowly since I'm just using my hands, but it's just counting each time I do both steps. There we go. And then it is, if I press this button, going to show me the time. And if I press it again, I'm going to see the reps per minute, which is basically nothing since I'm so slow. And finally, if I clicked it, it would show me how many calories I've burned. And if I go to this, it'll go to scan, and now it's going to flip through time, calories burned, and reps per minute. It'll probably be time, reps, yep, and then calories, since that was the order it did the first time. So very simple and clean there. And then a real quick close-up on these handles. Very straightforward. You can see right here where you could pull on that to make it shorter. I definitely do not want these any shorter, so I'm just going to leave them at the length they are and put it to the test. Let's give it a test. Gonna give it a quick step. It's so quiet, and obviously if I do smaller steps, it's even quieter, so I'm not hitting the bottom. Really, really nice and smooth. I'm really enjoying that quite a bit, and I do like that I can make it go a little higher or a little lower on the steps if I adjust it. And then for the resistance bands, like I said, they do feel a little short, but that doesn't mean they aren't going to give me great resistance on some of the lower body moves, or lower arm moves, I should say. If I wanted to do an overhead move, I can't do that with this. But again, I could add different resistance bands. And in general, I don't actually use the bands on my other stepper. I mostly just use it while I'm working at my desk. And for that, this is very comparable. I'm really enjoying it, and I will definitely be doing a comparison video as well. But to start off with, Sunny Fitness makes a fantastic stair stepper. So if you're looking for a really nice, quiet, smooth stair stepper for at home, whether you're doing it while you're watching a show or you're doing it at a standing desk, this is fantastic. Definitely recommend it.